These adjectives end in able. Can you guess them? You have 3 seconds. Number 1, having or showing warmth and friendliness. Affable. Once you get to know me, you'll find me quite affable, but at first I can seem a little cool and distant. Number 2, being so silly, ridiculous, or even seemingly impossible that one may laugh at it. Laughable. Getting 1,000 subscribers this month? Is that really a laughable idea? I sure hope not. Please subscribe for more. And number 3, impossible to replace or switch or exchange. Irreplaceable. Even if you have great friends, some people say that a parent's unconditional love is irreplaceable. Now take one of these words and make a sentence with them in the comments below. My name is Nandini, and please subscribe for more such videos, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.